want to warn them.
Ministry y'ebyamataka owebembirwemu Betty Namisango kamya orukujebembe nagirango nka ministry barakura kwetomweta k'omuntu wa burijo na munonga ari abo bari nibabingwa amataka.
These ones in people's gardens, destroying people's houses and property, are violating the regulations. And happy the police are here. I beg you please to emphasize this matter and to give directives to DPCs to desist from any land transactions or any transaction that was not cleared by the president.
Abweshongeji ministry harenjenroho ensia eyatao.
Land sharing engagements between tenants by occupants and landlords are prohibited until the president lifts the lockdown. Any forceful engagement or impending evictions are illegal and should be reported to police and the RDC. District security committees chaired by the respective RDCs are directed to assist lawful and bona fide occupants to remain and enjoy quiet possession of their bibanja and to suspend the implementation of any eviction order during the COVID-19 period, aware that government issued a stay-home guideline.
Ministry yashaba ebyokwerinda okuba ekyokureberaho ombwero.
I am calling on DPCs. I am calling on LC1s especially not to get involved in any land transaction during the COVID-19 period. Surely, can I be clearer than that?
Okugamba ebi aba ministry babali a media center omurembo Kampala iraba ministry omwanya ogwo n'ebyokwerinda bayikawo.
People who are currently transacting on land matters are doing so illegally, and any transactions they purport to transact is null and void.
Abwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon.